The ball is in your court. Meaning, it's your turn to take action. Synonym, your move. Example, I gave you my offer. Now the ball is in your court. Kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, do two things at once. Synonym, be efficient. Example, by walking to the store, I exercised and bought groceries. Killed two birds with one stone. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, reveal a secret. Synonym, spill the beans. Example, who let the cat out of the bag about the wedding? When pigs fly. Meaning, something that will never happen. Synonym, never. Example, he'll clean his room? Yeah, when pigs fly. On cloud 9. Meaning, very happy. Synonym, overjoyed. Example, she was on cloud 9 after winning the prize. Back to the drawing board. Meaning, start again from the beginning. Synonym, try a new plan. Example, that idea didn't work, so it's back to the drawing board. Time flies. Meaning, time goes by quickly. Synonym, time passes fast. Example, time flies when you're having fun. Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning, blaming the wrong person or thing. Synonym, mistaken. Example, if you think I broke the vase, you're barking up the wrong tree. Beat around the bush. Meaning, avoid saying something directly. Synonym, talk vaguely. Example, don't beat around the bush, just tell me the truth. Call it a day. Meaning, stop working for the day. Synonym, end the task. Example, we're tired, let's call it a day. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck. Used in theater or performance. Synonym, best of luck. Example, break a leg on your audition today. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, feel sad about something that already happened and can't be changed. Synonym, regret something small. Example, it's no use crying over spilled milk. Just clean it up and move on. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, say exactly the right thing. Synonym, be spot on. Example, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the problem. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. Synonym, cost a lot. Example, that phone cost me an arm and a leg. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, very rarely. Synonym, hardly ever. Example, he visits us once in a blue moon. Cut to the chase. Meaning, get to the point. Synonym, skip the details. Example, let's cut to the chase. Are you coming or not? A blessing in disguise. Meaning, something bad at first but good later. Synonym, hidden good. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. Break the ice. Meaning, start a conversation. Synonym, ease the tension. Example, Mark told a joke to break the ice at the party. Thanks for watching, and don't forget subscribe us English class time.